Okay, this is a Plumbago. This is a great one for the Houston area. It's very low maintenance. It requires no additional watering above and beyond what comes naturally to the Houston area unless we're going through like a major drought. It puts on these beautiful kind of baby blue flowers all summer long and into, this is November, and you see it's still blooming pretty profusely here. This is a brand new little 3-gallon here, but these guys can get to be about 4 feet tall or even taller and wide. They do tend to spread a little bit on the ground, so you want to give them plenty of room to really grow and do their thing. The good thing is, once they're established, even in the middle of summer, you can hack this guy back to the ground and you aren't going to hurt him. He's very, very hardy once he's back established. So butterflies, the birds love him, hummingbirds. It's not deer resistant, so the deer will eat this guy. It is very insect and disease resistant though. The only thing is, don't overwater him. He tends to like a little more dryness than being too wet.